No. Ladies, stop that bar in front of your shoulder and say playtime done. We're going to the stage just now, so we'll get back to the jump up thing. It's Bamsey on Bamsey. Girls on girls. Bamsey on Bamsey. 1, 2, 3.
Do all the whining queens of soca. Overdose or something.
Overdose?
Whining queen of soca. Lord, overdose, she want me. Hey, check her out. Whining up that body, want me. Hey, check her out. Bouncing up, overdose, turn she up. Hey, check her out. Whining up that body.
Better for that bar in front.
Head, shoulder, knees. Over, let her breathe. She come for overdose, so girl, get ready.
Those are just what y'all think.
Yeah. What? The video man not shaking enough. He ain't seen none yet. Overdose, she want me.
Foreign time done. 1, 2, 3, let's go.
We doing it. 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 We doing it.
Right.
All night representing me. The way you giving it to me. Girl, roll it. Roll your bumper right back on it.
Down to the ground, to the ground, to the ground again. Lift it up, lift it up, lift it up again. Down to the ground, to the ground, to the ground again. Lift it up, lift it up.
Ladies, if you know your back's good, but you're whining whole day and it can still go down. You ready? 1, go down, 2, go down, 1, 2, 3, go!
Check out the gal, them winding down. Watch out the gal, them grinding down. Pick it up, gal, make bumper spin round and boys.
Take your boring friend, put your hand on your shoulder. We going down. 1, 2, 3, go down, go down, go down, go down, go down.
Overdose.
Come on. Hey, look, you're not here. Yes, girl, take 1, 2, 3, hey. Hey.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Get it, Trinidad, yeah.
She tuck on, she left on, she jump on, she settle when she run it up. Girl, let me see that thing catch. What up? You take on, you talk. Like
What a bing, what a I want to not pass that tonight, you know why?
you're in a glue. Let me bless you with steam. I always go to go bless you with steam. And once my hands clean, I'm sweet, I gotta walk in. And you open up like a Bible. And I'm reading like the Bible.
One take, 1, 2, 3, flip. Yeah. Put your hand on your knees and push it back. Put your hand on your knees and push it back. If your head good, then your neck good. If your head good, then your neck good. If your neck good, then your back good. So turn it.
And now money ball. Pull up and overdose.
Hey.
Take your time and work it hard.
That body guy, getting it easy.
Rhythm alone. The truck going and move, you guys. Let's go. Rhythm alone, chip. Rhythm alone, dip. Rhythm alone, chip. Rhythm alone, dip. Mascots, we on the move. Revel Nation, we on the move. Back it, you never see that, eh? Ready, rhythm, bounce. Chip. Why did that?
Overdose.
Where you going, Jimmy? Rhythm alone, right? Take your friend and walk. Take your friend and chip. But better yet, take your friend and wine. Take up your friend and wine. Take your friend and wine. You can make my box? Come on. I said, take your friend. 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 Here's what's going on. Put your hand on your friend's shoulder and walk. Put your hand on your friend's shoulder and walk. Ready?
This one is an ego charm. I want it. This one is an ego charm.
It's about silence.
This one is an ego charm.
Is it booster?
I want it. This one is an ego charm. I need it. Hey, watch me. I want all of the rum. I want all of the slaps.
Go, ready.
I want all of the hot gal.
Stay clear to the head of the truck, please. All masqueraders. Don't stop the music. All right, the truck is making, we're going to the left. So if you're on the left hand side of the truck, please give it some room. We're going to make a what? Act. Oh yeah, we're going into the complex. Don't swallow it for a bit. All masqueraders to the side of the truck, please give it some room. Security, come. Yeah, we're going to the, that'll move. We're going through the gate, so all masqueraders stand clear of the truck, come to the back of the truck or stay clear. This is on the left hand side. Yeah, if you're on the left hand side, move closer to the field. Yeah, we ain't so tight like bandit parts. So move from by the truck. Bandit, I ain't gonna lie. That pants know your blood circulation. Jesus. Whole squad here. International Stephen, Dr. Isan, Major Penny, Overdose, Selector AJ. Nah, forget me. I ain't not important tonight. AJ juggle like a dog today. Yes. Huh? They gain a baseline. They ain't paying for that. Yeah, stand clear the truck as you make it through the gates. Those. I'm gonna go from after that.